This is the Guide to Georgia Outdoors. It's cold, it's November the 24th. I got my nephew Logan here, and I think he just dropped the hammer on a doe. I think he made a pretty good shot. So we're about to get our stuff together, get out the ground blind and go look for blood. But while we're doing that, I'll take you back to the beginning of the hunt.
It's a good shot.
Try to hold my cough in.
Yes, don't cough now.
I'm trying.
Don't cough now. Wait till we get a broadside shot. They're right in each other's way right now. Hang on one second. Alright, whenever you're ready. Hang on one second. Go ahead. Yeah, on you.
I think I missed. Yep, I missed. I missed it. Hear me?
I don't know that you did. I think you might have hit her.
No, because how the deer was just standing there.
Which deer did you shoot at?
The one that's right in the middle.
Yeah, you hit her.
Oh, you said that. I missed it last time.
I think you hit her.
I think he made a pretty good shot. He wasn't feeling confident at first, but I think he did a pretty good shot on it. You know, Logan's killed one here before. 2 years ago, me and him were sitting here, and at that point, he had to sit in my lap to shoot the deer. He was a lot smaller, so now he's kind of a man-child, but I love doing this. We got meat in the freezer. It's a beautiful day. We're going to get our stuff, ease on down there, and see if we can find some blood. Yeah, look right there, man. Already found blood as soon as we walked down in here. Yeah, you were uncertain that you hit her. You want to do the, let me follow you? You do the drag job? Got some blood there. Tracking job over. There we go. Well, looks like we might have got a little nub buck. Well, it's all right. Meat in the freezer, my man.
Do you think it was a buck too?
It could have been. I'm not sure. You made a good shot on her. Flip him over.
I just like it.
Good shot. Right in the sweet spot. We try not to shooting nubs if we can help it. 100 yards, kind of hard to tell, but That's just part of it, man. It's just when you hunt, it's going to happen. Little old spikes about that big, but man, this is meat in the freezer. In fact, my Papa Jay, who's done went on to heaven, this was his favorite. He would prefer a nub before he even shot a doe. So I'm gonna let Logan drag this deer out, and I'm gonna go get the 4-wheeler. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Is it the first one you killed this year?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you killed plenty before though, but this is the first one this year.
Yes, sir.
To me, that's what it's all about. You know, he ain't got to always kill a trophy. We got some meat in the freezer. He has killed deer before, but this was his first one of the year, so I was glad to be a part of that with him. You know, if we don't take these young guys hunting, nobody's going to, and you know, it's our responsibility. And today I'm just as excited to be with him as he shot one as if I'd have shot it myself. It is cold. I'm telling you, it's colder now than it was this morning. These Georgia boys can't handle this cold weather. We're gonna head back to the house to get this one cleaned up, and I'm thinking about putting some of this one and making some jerky. I think that's where I want to go with this one because I've been in the mood for some jerky. But you ready to go to the house? You driving? All right, we're in. Got a snotty nose because it's been cold outside. We're back in the meat room. This is fresh meat. Usually I like to let my meat age for 5-7 days before I do this, but I don't have that kind of time. We're on Thanksgiving break, and I want to get some jerky on. We got one of the hams that off of that deer that Logan just killed, and we're gonna make some jerky. So the first thing I want to do is remove the meat, then I'm gonna clean it up a little bit. So I just work my way in, and it, like I said, it cuts a whole lot better when the meat is firm, when it's been aged for a few days, but we still get the job done. So I just cut off. Follow the contour of the bones. Cut that off. Get several pieces of jerky out of that. Do the same on the back. Follow around. Now I'm not gonna throw this away. I'm gonna put it back in the cooler for a few days, and I'm gonna end up cutting some more off of this when we grind hamburger. So I'm putting that back in there. But this is what I'm wanting for today. This is what I'm going to use to make my my jerky. Now we're gonna cut them into strips for making our jerky. This is where a good sharp knife is very helpful. I just run them down the line. Strips like that right there, it's a perfect strip for making jerky. We'll finish stripping all this out, and then we'll go from there. All right, we got all the meat cut up. 2.5 pounds of jerky is what we're gonna be working with. I don't like to get too creative. I actually bought this. This is a pepper jerky seasoning. This is good for 3 pounds. This is about 2.5, so that's gonna work. They got original teriyaki, but we went with pepper on this one. So put it in here. It calls for a couple tablespoons of vinegar. I've already got that there. And about half a cup of water. All right, we're gonna add our meat to it. We're gonna let this marinate for a couple hours before we get it on the dehydrator. All right, we just got done eating breakfast and took a little nap. This has been marinating for about 2 hours, and man, it smells great. What we're gonna do now is get it on these dehydrator racks. So Logan grab some and just lay it on the racks, kind of spread it out. We got the racks full. Good looking meat, and what we're gonna do over the next probably 6-8 hours is just rotate the racks. Maybe every hour the bottom rack goes to the top and work your way down. That way they're cooking evenly. But this is pretty much set it and forget it type of deal, and we'll be having jerky in, I don't know, maybe by nightfall, if not tomorrow morning. All right, the jerky has been cooking for about 6 hours. It's not completely done, but there are some pieces that are done. You have never had jerky before, have you?
Nope.
How do you live 13 years without ever eating deer jerky? Give it a try. It's good stuff. I feel more like a man when I'm eating deer jerky, don't you?
All right, not all of it's done, so I changed the order up. You know, put some of the stuff that was still raw at the bottom. It's been cooking all day, so I think my dehydrator's not working great, but this has a really good taste. By morning, it's gonna be all good. I hope you enjoyed the video. Making your own jerky, there is something satisfying, and it's really good to do. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to the channel. I really enjoy making these videos and carrying my nephew hunting. But until the next video, this has been the unofficial and no doubt incomplete guide